Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1959 convertible Corvette. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle here, fully restored with some modern conveniences, but in iconic classic styling that the C1s deliver. Before we get too far into this vehicle, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. If you're not in Florida and you have an interest in this car or any other cars you may see in our inventory, please don't hesitate to still give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do ship all over the world. Last year we shipped to 8 different countries and 19 different U.S. states, so we can certainly ship this vehicle and any one of our other vehicles anywhere you may be. If you have financing needs or would like to finance and keep some cash in your pocket, we do have financing partners that will finance classic cars, so please do give us a call or visit the website. Before we get too deep into this beautiful 59, again, just a quick view of our showroom. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars will be domestic classic cars. The other 20% will be exotic, luxury, and or European in nature. But again, if you have any questions on any of the cars you see, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Now back onto this beautiful 1959 Corvette. I'll tell you again, as I mentioned, it's beautifully restored. It has the C1 style with modern performance. As you will see under the hood here is a 350 Ramjet V8 power plant crate motor. It is paired with a 700R 4-speed automatic transmission. It does have the modern conveniences, as you will see, vintage air. And it does have disc brakes in the front. Still has drum in the back, but they are power brakes. As you will see, power brakes. It does come with rack and pinion steering. Just a beautiful vehicle here. Again, a weekend cruiser. If you want to stand out at shows, this is the car for you. Again, we'll go inside and look at the beautiful red leather interior. See the dash, the concave 59 only gauges. Again, just a beautiful car. We'll go ahead and start it up here for you. Grab the keys here. Let the fuel pump start up. Again, fires right up. Let it warm up just a little bit before we give it some gas. Again, just a beautiful vehicle here. Sounds great. And classic exhaust, dual exhaust coming out of the bumpers. Again, paint is in excellent condition. With the chrome wheels, the silver coats. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. The chrome is in excellent condition as well, very bright chrome. Let's go ahead and rev it up a little bit as it's still warming up. So I don't want to rev it up too much, but I want you to, we can hear the radio as well here. Let's go ahead and rev it up a little bit. See the tack. not really loud, but it has that fantastic roar. Again, the classic C1 iconic style with modern performance and conveniences to make the drive much better. A small steering wheel, crate 350, fuel injected, vintage air to make sure you stay cool on those warm afternoons. Just a fantastic vehicle. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. And we appreciate you joining in. Like us for additional content in the future. Thank you.